Hey y'all, welcome back to the Fire Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren, and today we're going to do a sous vide pork loin roast, and we're going to finish it on the Camp Chef pellet grill. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Okay, y'all, I'm back, and this is about a 2.5 pound pork loin. My wife went to Costco last week and she bought two really big pork loin roasts. They were having a sale, so it was really cheap. I think it was like $1.60 a pound. So she got two big ones. I cut one of them into chops that I'll probably do some videos on later on, and then I cut one into three roast sections of about 2.5 pounds each. So this particular one, I seasoned it before I vacuum sealed it and froze it with a little bit of Runnin wild lemon pepper and some garlic, and that's it. And that's how we're going to do it. We're going to cook it in the sous vide at 148 for about 4 hours, and then we're going to toss it on the Camp Chef pellet grill. I'm going to use the slide and grill function to get it to cook right over the pellet fire so we can get some smoke to it. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the sous vide right now. It's frozen solid, so 4 hours should be plenty of time for it to cook and thaw out. So not really worried about adding any more time to that. So that's it. I'm going to throw it in and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I got the pork loin out of the sous vide. And I'm going to pat it dry real good, like we always should when we're going to sear it. And that's done. I'm going to put just a little bit more of the lemon pepper. Get both sides. And a little bit more of the garlic. And that's it, guys. Seasoned up again. We're going to go throw it out on the Camp Chef. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got the Camp Chef turned up all the way as high as it'll go, and it's pretty hot. It's cooking off a lot of the stuff that was on the heat deflector there. And what I'm going to do now is it has the slide and grill function down here with this little knob. I can pull the heat deflector back, and what that does is it opens up the chamber there. So now we're going to be cooking directly over the fire because it's got those little notches in it. So I'm going to put that right directly on, right in the middle of the grill, and I'm going to close it up, and I'm going to let that cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. Let it get some good heat to it, some flame. And then we're going to flip it over. I'll be right back. All right, all the pork loin's been on there for about 3 minutes or so. I'm going to turn it over and give it another 3 minutes on that side, and it's going to look pretty good. We're going to give it about another minute on the other side, and we're going to take it off. Well, there you go. All done. About maybe 3 or 4 minutes on each side. It turned out pretty good. Let me cut a piece off here so you guys can see. Remember, we did 148. It was kind of a medium well. That's kind of how I like my pork. Sometimes I'll do a little bit better than that. It's still a little pink on the inside. It's not well done. It's still got some pinkness and juiciness to it, but it is really juicy. I'm going to cut a piece off at the end here for you. Kind of. So we got some nice color there. It's still juicy. For a loin, lemon pepper and the garlic, really good. Got some good moisture. Well, turned out pretty good to me, guys. I love these little pork loins. I'm going to continue to cut here just so you can see. Yeah, in the middle is a little bit less well, so that's good. So if you had somebody that didn't want medium well, you get some more medium in the middle here. Well, there you go. There you have it, guys. Try it. If you got a pellet grill, cook them up on it. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Follow us on our next videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks again.